Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Nintendo Switch 2 not connecting to your TV. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got the Nintendo Switch 2 and you're wondering why it's not connecting to your TV. Well, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So first things first, you want to start with the basics. You want to make sure that your HDMI cable is fully plugged into your Nintendo Switch 2. And then you want to also make sure that the HDMI cable is fully plugged into the back of your TV. So first things first is just make sure that the connection is actually inside. The second thing is that you simply just have to turn on your Nintendo Switch 2. So if you click on the power button on your Nintendo Switch 2, that should power on the Switch, and you can tell just by the green light indicator right over there. And you can see now my Nintendo Switch 2 is connected to my TV. The other thing is that you want to make sure that your Nintendo Switch 2 is fully connected to its docking port. Okay, sometimes people might leave it like on the side like that. Sometimes people might leave it on the side like that. So do make sure that your Nintendo Switch 2 is actually inside the docking port so that it can connect to your TV. And last but not least, the last thing you can check is that if you grab your TV remote and you change the input setting, so for example, on a Samsung Smart TV, it's called Source, you want to make sure that you're on the correct input setting. So for example, that HDMI cable that we connected to the Nintendo Switch 2 that's now connected to the back of the TV, that is called HDMI 1 on my TV. But on your TV, it might be HDMI 2 or HDMI 3 or HDMI 4. So to simply just change the source, you can easily do that on your TV. Usually it's called input. On the Samsung Smart TV, it's called source. Just switch between different source modes or input modes, and that should be able to fix your Nintendo Switch 2 to connecting to your TV. But let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.